Good tutor. My document. My cover bit. Documento, estudiante, documento, tutor, grupo y todos los datos que solicita la guía. My name is Mayerly Rojas. I am 32 years old. I'm from Roncesvalles, Tolima. I live in Cumaral Meta with my only daughter, 8 years old. I work, study, and work hot. I am in semester Connect Public. My hobby favorite is what vision with my daughter. My favorite sport cycling. Entonces, I like fiction. I the Green Brothers and action movies. My family. My father, my name is Heriberto Rojas. He is 77 years old. He was born in Tolima. I live in Cumaral Meta. He is dark skin and black nice. He teachers 5 more sisters. My sisters. My mother's. My name is Armencia Ahumada. She is 30 years old. I born in Pai, Cundinamarca, and live in Cumaral Meta. It is white skin, brown nice. She is what's fair. My daughter. No pasa. My daughter is named Maria Camila Gomez Rojas. Is 8 years old. She studies in la morning course in Bogotá, Cundinamarca. Current level with my in Cumaral Meta. She nice. She has brown skin and long curly hair. Thank you.